What's up, fishaholics? Welcome back to the channel. It's your friendly neighborhood bass sniper, and today we're gonna go on a sand bass mission. Well, some people call them sand bass, some people call them white bass. I see a little activity in this water. It is not chocolate milk, so that's encouraging. We had rain last week or a week or so ago when the water was running through here when I came down here before, but you know, today looks like, I don't want to say optimal conditions, but hopeful conditions. Let's not waste a lot of time talking, and let's get to this water. Let's see if we can catch some fish to take home and eat today. Now, this water looks like it's moving right there without cause. So hopefully that's a school of fish. There is something over there swimming around. I might be just throwing the wrong bait altogether though. Hard-headed. Start a little more sensible than before. The weather don't look too favorable. Let's hope. Let's hope it doesn't rain. Before I catch a crap ton of fish. Oh yeah, I just saw a sand bass or something hit right there. It gotta be a sand bass. Yeah, I might as well stop playing with myself, quit jerking myself around. Throw on this never fail rooster tail. Cause I'm seeing reason and cause for the fish to be here, but I haven't landed one yet. And I have seen fish coming up eating all this bait that I see too, so. And all that activity from over here a minute ago, it's gone. Yep, see? I told you. Never fail rooster tail. Man, my drag is way loose. Whoa, what is that? Catfish. My drag wasn't that loose. That's what's coming up here eating these fish. Dang. Ain't that something? Never fail rooster tail. Always gonna land something, huh? Make sure he don't bite me like that last one did. He tried to choke that some gun too. I suppose my drag wasn't that loose. It was just a big old boy on there. Yeah, we gonna let him go. We don't want his we don't want his big boy pants. Come on now. Is that what you want to do? I'm trying to let you go and you want to do all this ridiculousness. Oh, we got some sprinkles. And I don't want to get rained on. I didn't bring my frog togs, which I should have. Oh yeah. I believe I just got chased by Sandy. Yep. Yep. And that's number one, gang. That's number one. I believe I saw him. Let me go get my bucket and come back over here. Longer than my boot, so that's gotta be 10 inches. All right, I just landed my first sandy, guys. The rain's starting to come down a little bit. I don't know if you can see that in the water. Let's see who lets up first, me or the rain. See if I can land any more. I think I just saw one swim across there. Yeah, that's the rain. All right, this rain is starting to pick up. If I catch another fish, I won't let up. But if I do, and if I don't, I'm gonna go sit in some shelter real quick. Yeah, I think this is gonna mess up my fishing anyway. The rain let up before I did. It's still coming down a little bit. I hope y'all can see that in that water. So this thing is swimming differently every time. I guess depending on the direction that I cast and then the current, the wind, you know, whether it's debris in the water. So I'm gonna have to do a different retrieve. The obvious and most successful retrieve would be to rod tip up retrieve. That way I keep it close to the top of the water. Don't really worry about snagging anything. So like my rod tip is up right now. But when problem is with that, I can't get enough leverage on it when it's going with the current. If it goes with the current, then I have to kind of like lean it down because it'll pop up out of the water because of the resistance. La resistance. And with this, retrieving at the top of the water with this debris makes it more likely for me to pick up a leaf. And you can always feel with this rooster tail when the blade is spinning correctly. You can feel that subtle vibration. And as soon as it stops, it feels all weird, and you know you're not getting a good turn on it. But I see some waves right here, so hopefully that's a sand bass chasing bait. Let's keep pitching, see what we can pull out of here. This rain is like it's gonna be coming on and off. And another retrieve is to let it sink a little and pull back. Let it sink a little, reel in my slack, pull back. That didn't go how I wanted it because it came too fast. But oh man, this rain's starting to come back. I'm gonna go hide for a second, unless I catch a fish. Oh, shit. Every time I step back over here, the rain comes. And I think I just got bit, but it got off. Someone told me to grab my frog tops when I was in the garage earlier. Goes to show, guys, you always go with your instincts. Had I grabbed them like I thought about, I'd be sitting out here fishing carefree right now. But this rain seems to be coming and going. Scattered showers, as they call them. Oh, he got off. Ain't that a bitch? I'm gonna have to set the hook on him after all. Normally when you're going after sand bass, you can catch them left and right all day long. I don't know if like I've been beat to the punch this season or what, but they ain't getting on left and right. There's rain coming up and give me a chance to go over there and get my rod and toss that swim bait a little bit too. Let's take a pause for the cause. This rain's starting to come down. What is this, another catfish? Oh no, it's a sandy. Hoo-hoo. He almost got off too. See, is he big enough? Yep. Longer than this. Ooh, oh, you ass wipe. True definition of a sand bass. Yeah, now I know that I gotta get them suckers in really quick. Cause this hook set don't seem to be working enough to keep them on the line permanently. This is where I had that one get off on me. Told you. Gotta set that hook on him. Dang, I think I knocked him out. Good thing I'm keeping him. Yeah, I think I done gave him a concussion. Well, people, that's 3 sandies. 3 down, 22 more to go. There's one right there. All right, the sun is coming out. That's exactly what we need. That's what we need, is the sun out, so this little light of mine can shine. This blade reflecting the sunlight. This one might be too little. So we hooked up with 4. Had to throw that little guy back. I didn't even say bye-bye, little guy, to him. That's okay. Well, all right, guys. Quick recap of today's video. We got down here and almost immediately hooked into that stinking catfish, which are fun to catch, but we don't go after those. I'm bass sniper, not a catfish sniper. We're able to land a few of the species that we were looking for. Sandies, the sand bass, white bass, whatever you want to call them. We landed 4 of them, probably hooked about 5 or 6 of them. Let's see, that would make 2 of them that didn't get caught, and 1 that was too small. I actually got a gar bite as well, and now I got a treacherous hike back to civilization. And this hill ain't no joke. Look at that hill. Crazy. We even got rained on today, and we do see that the rain let up before I did. So if you're still watching right now, I appreciate you. Much love to you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit that like button, turn on that notification bell, and continue to explore with me. Whew. I'm a bit winded. I'm trying to shoot this exit video while I'm walking back. But hey guys, I had a lot of fun. I hope you did as well. Until next time, never let up.